Hello and welcome to the session. This session focuses on learning outcome 2, be able to design systems and plans for initiating and managing projects. How do you design and manage successful projects? This video explores the essentials of project management systems and plans. Discover how to initiate, control, and lead projects effectively. Understanding team structures is crucial in project management. From hierarchical to matrix management, each structure has its advantages. Virtual and networked teams offer flexibility. Functional and pure project teams focus on specialization. Choosing the right structure impacts project success. Change control is vital for managing project alterations. Formal change requests ensure structured updates. Reviewing critical paths helps assess impacts on resources. Timelines must be adjusted accordingly. This process maintains project integrity and direction. Project managers drive projects forward. They manage teams and stakeholders effectively. Understanding the project lifecycle is essential. Setting schedules, budgets, and timing are key responsibilities. Risk management and conflict resolution are also critical tasks. A project plan outlines the value proposition and deliverables. Sponsorship and accountability are established. Resource allocation and timelines are defined. Milestones and critical paths are identified. This structured approach ensures project clarity and focus. Effective leadership involves motivating and delegating. Networking builds essential connections. Communication is key in negotiating and persuading. Listening skills enhance team collaboration. These skills are vital for successful project management. The management process approach is systematic. It identifies planning, organizing, and controlling functions. Managers coordinate interrelated functions dynamically. This approach improves operational efficiency. It helps managers win subordinate support. Management science focuses on objectives and constraints. Mathematical models solve complex problems. Operations, research techniques optimize processes. Computers enhance decision support systems. This approach promotes goal formulation and performance measurement. Matrix organizations blend functional and project teams. In engineering, different skills are pooled for projects. Leaders are selected based on project needs. This structure allows flexibility and resource optimization. It enhances project execution efficiency. Project managers are the driving force of projects. They transmit energy and commitment to teams. Technical knowledge and coordination skills are essential. Balancing big picture and details is crucial. They keep multiple project elements in harmony. Every project needs a unique plan. Resources must be allocated effectively. Tasks and timelines are organized meticulously. The project manager coordinates all elements. This ensures the right tasks are done at the right time. Project managers ensure projects stay on track. They monitor costs, schedules, and quality. Recognizing issues early is crucial. Corrective actions are taken when necessary. This maintains project alignment with goals. Leadership involves inspiring and motivating teams. Different styles suit different situations. Flexibility is key in project management. Control varies based on team dynamics. Effective leadership drives project success. Communication is vital in project management. It involves engaging sponsors, teams, and the public. Clear communication ensures shared understanding. It helps manage difficulties and breakthroughs. Mastering jargon is often necessary for effective dialogue. Consider an office relocation project. Assumptions impact staff efficiency and roles. Tasks and responsibilities are clearly defined. High-level estimates include time, resources, and costs. This structured plan meets agreed milestones. Project managers oversee scope, schedule, and finance. They manage risks, quality, and resources. Planning and coordination are key tasks. They motivate teams and ensure project alignment. Skills are transferable across different environments. Interpersonal skills influence project success. Team building fosters collaboration. Decision-making impacts project outcomes. Effective communication enhances coordination. Leadership mobilizes teams towards goals. Negotiation is crucial for dealing with stakeholders. It involves vendors and contractors. Mutually beneficial agreements are sought. Costing and timelines are key negotiation points. Successful negotiation ensures project alignment with goals. Choosing the right management structure is vital. It impacts project coordination and execution. Functional departments provide specialized skills. Matrix organizations blend functional and project teams. This enhances flexibility and resource optimization. Consider a nuclear power plant project. A construction management consultant is engaged. The company assigns a project team for coordination. This ensures quality and design familiarity. Close relationships between departments enhance project success. Refer to ebooks and journals for further reading. Queries can be directed to the provided email. Assignment submissions follow course completion. Resources include third-party materials. Compliance with reproduction terms is required. In conclusion, designing effective systems and plans for initiating and managing projects is essential for successful project delivery. This involves establishing clear project objectives, defining scope, allocating resources, setting timelines, and implementing control and communication systems. Well-designed plans support coordination, risk management, and performance monitoring throughout the project lifecycle. Understanding how to design and manage these systems enables organizations to deliver projects efficiently, on time, and in line with business objectives. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 0748 436 1688.